Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to add or remove QR code scanner in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. If you want to add or remove a QR code scanner, then simply first of all swipe down to your control center, and then if you want to add or remove your QR code scanner, then press and hold on your blank space, and then you can see the option add a control. Then simply click on add a control, and if you want to add QR code scanner, then simply search here scanner, and you can see the option scan code. Simply click on it and it will be added on your control center. And if you want to remove, then simply press and hold on blank space, and you can see the minus icon. If you want to remove your QR code scanner, then simply click on minus icon, it will be removed. So this is the way to add or remove QR code scanner in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.